This 2027 Tige Z1 with 1 hours on the Raptor Inmar 400 engine is for sale by Charlotte Ski Boats in Mooresville, North Carolina. Contact Charlotte Ski Boats for pricing and details. Link in the description. At 21.5 feet, the Z1 delivers Tigé's flagship performance in a remarkably agile package. You get 3,000 pounds of factory ballast, Tigé's Convex V hull with TAPS 3T, and their Go system for precision wake surfing. The boat arrives with a 12.1-inch touchscreen, Alpha E4 powered tower, and premium Audison audio as standard. If you're in the market for an inboard wake, surf, or ski boat, there's only one place to go: OnlyInboards.com.